Do you wake up every morning feeling tired, rushed, and confused? You want to improve your life. You want to improve your English. But somehow, every day feels the same. What if I told you that your success does not start at night? It starts in the morning? Today, you will learn English easily through a simple story and discover morning habits that can quietly change your life. This is the story of Daniel. Daniel was not lazy. He was not stupid. He was just tired. Every morning, he woke up and grabbed his phone, messages, social media, news. Before leaving his bed, his mind was already full. One morning, Daniel stopped and asked himself, why do my days control me, instead of me controlling my days? Habit 1. Protect your mind. That morning, Daniel made one small change. He did not touch his phone. For the first hour, no noise, no comparison, no pressure. His mind felt quiet. Daniel learned something important. A peaceful morning creates a powerful day. Habit 2. Write to clear your mind. Daniel took a notebook. He did not write long pages. He wrote only 3 things. How do I feel today? What am I grateful for? What is one important task today? Slowly, his stress moved from his head to the paper. His thoughts became clear. Habit 3. Learn to be still. Daniel sat quietly for a few minutes. He closed his eyes. He focused on his breathing. Thoughts came. Thoughts went. He did not fight them. He realized, you do not control your life unless you control your emotions. Habit 4. Plan. Don't react. Next, Daniel planned his day. He made 3 simple lists. Must do, should do, nice to do. Now, his day had direction. He was no longer reacting to other people's demands. Habit 5. Feed your mind. Daniel read a few pages from a good book. Not negative news. Not social media. Only ideas that made him stronger. He understood. What you put into your mind becomes part of who you are. Habit 6. Move your body. Daniel moved his body. Nothing extreme. Just 10 minutes. Stretching. Walking. Simple movement. His energy increased. His confidence followed. Habit 7. See your future. Daniel closed his eyes again. He imagined himself calm, focused, confident. He imagined a better life. His brain started to believe this future was possible. Habit 8. Take action. Finally, Daniel took action. Not big action. Just one small step. He learned the most important lesson. Success is built by action, not by information. Transformation. Days passed. Weeks passed. Daniel was still human. Still imperfect. But now, he was in control. His mornings changed. His days improved. His life followed. You do not need perfect mornings. You only need better mornings. Choose one habit. Start tomorrow. And remember, learning English can be simple when you learn through stories. Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep moving forward.